Welcome to Excel in 3 minutes, a series where in each video we master one Excel function, fast. And today we're tackling COUNTIF. COUNTIF counts how many cells meet a specific condition. The formula looks like this. Range is where Excel should look, and the criteria is what Excel should count. And the way I remember this function is Excel only counts an entry if a condition is met. Hence, COUNTIF. Let's use an example. Imagine you run a small cinema, and you're tracking the genres of films showing this month. And you want to know how many action films are we showing. The formula would be this, equals COUNTIF, open bracket, select the range containing your data, comma, and then within quotes, I'm going to enter action. And the reason why I put action within quotes is because Excel knows that you're looking for the literal word action, not a cell reference or a named range. Excel then looks through cells A2 to A7 and counts every time it sees action. Since action appears 3 times, the result is 3. Now let's look at numbers. Suppose you're tracking weekend ticket sales for different films, and you want to count how many films sold more than 300 tickets. Here's the formula. Again, within the brackets, we'll select the data, and this time, in the quotes, it's greater than 300. And note that anytime you use operators like less than, equals, or greater than, they must be still inside quotes. Excel now counts any value greater than 300. In this list, that would be 450 and 600, so the result is 2. Now here's a tip. Instead of typing 300 directly into the formula, imagine you put 300 in a cell. Now your formula becomes this. The ampersand joins the greater than symbol with whatever value is in the cell reference, in this case D1. So if you change D1 to 500, your result updates automatically. So here's the takeaway. COUNTIF counts cells that match condition. You choose a range and define a rule. But what if you have more than one rule? What if you want to count action films that sold more than 300 tickets? And that's where COUNTIFs comes in. The more powerful version that lets you apply multiple conditions at the same time.